Hey guys, welcome back to Decorating with Barbara. If you are new to my channel or visiting for the first time, welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how I decorated my living room for the fall. So I shared these two glasses with you guys in a previous haul. Now this one I got from Hobby Lobby during the spring 80% off sale, and this one I got from Goodwill earlier this year. Now these two colors were very inspirational for my fall decor colors in my living room, dining room, and entry hall. So in my last video, I shared with you how to transform some old vase filler, and here is how I put it together in my living room. My goal for decorating these spaces was to be sure that the spaces did not look like spring or Easter. So I added some darker tones in berry, plum, and even some rust tones to give the color palette a warm feel. Now here on the coffee table, I have this glass lantern and I'm using it for a vase. I have a mercury glass pumpkin that I got last year from JCPenney's, and the white velvet pumpkin came from Target's Dollar Spot last year, and I just added a jewel from Hobby Lobby. I got the picture frame from Ross. The candle and candlestick both came from Home Goods. And so guys, I don't have a typical fall decor. I have small touches of fall, and that just suits my style of decorating. So I would like for you guys to continue watching the video, and I hope that you enjoy seeing my small touches of fall.